Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best golf club set for beginners, the Precise AMG Men's 14-piece golf set. Whether you're new to golf or returning after a long break, this is a package worth your attention. Let's dive right into what makes this golf set stand out. First, the lineup. This complete 14-piece set is a full toolkit for the golf course. You're getting a titanium driver, a number 3 fairway wood, a 21-degree hybrid, 6-through pitching wedge irons made with stainless steel, a precision-balanced putter, a stand bag with a cover, and 3 matching head covers. It's a package designed for performance, style, and convenience, and yes, it's tailored specifically for right-handed players, available in both regular and tall sizes. Now, let's talk performance. At the core of the set is the 460cc titanium driver. This is the kind of club you want in your hands on the tee box. With a large sweet spot, it's designed for explosive speed and maximum forgiveness. That means straighter shots, even if your swing isn't perfect. For beginners, that forgiveness is a game changer. You're not just swinging with power, you're swinging with confidence. The fairway wood and 21-degree hybrid both follow that same principle: easy playability, high launch, and maximum forgiveness. They help you make clean contact from tough lies and get the ball airborne with ease. This means less frustration and more consistency across the fairway. Moving on to the irons. The 6-through PW irons are crafted from stainless steel and come equipped with true temper steel shafts, made right in the USA. These provide a solid, stable feel at impact and give you the control and consistency you need to shape your shots. You'll find them surprisingly responsive, even if your swing speed isn't quite tour level yet. Then there's the putter, often the most overlooked club in a beginner set. The AMG putter has a balanced design and features an alignment aid that really helps you aim and stay square to the target line. If you're tired of missing those short putts by an inch or two, this putter gives you the tools to sink more with confidence. Now let's talk about the gear that holds all this together, the deluxe stand bag. This isn't just a throw-in. It comes with dual shoulder straps for backpack-style carrying, a built-in grab handle, and multiple storage pockets. There's room for balls, tees, gloves, a towel, everything you need. Plus, the 3 matching head covers add a touch of class and protect your investment. If you're over 6 feet 1 inch, the tall version is going to fit your posture and swing mechanics far better, and that means less fatigue and better performance over a full round. If you're a beginner, or even an occasional golfer looking for a full upgrade, the Precise AMG 14-piece set is going to give you every club you need to learn and grow in the game. It's built for distance, forgiveness, and confidence, all in one complete package. No guesswork, no need to piece together mismatched clubs. And best of all, it hits a sweet spot between affordability and quality that's hard to beat. If you're serious about starting your golf journey the right way, the answer is yes. This set gives you everything you need to get out on the course and start improving, without breaking the bank or the spirit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon if you found this helpful. We'll see you next time with more hands-on product breakdowns and reviews. Until then, happy golfing!